To update your phone number on Twitter using your PC, follow these easy steps. Start by clicking on More in the side menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Next, navigate to the Your Account tab and click on Account Information. Now click on Phone to access your phone number settings. Under your current phone number, you'll see the option to Update Phone Number. Click on it to proceed. You'll then be asked to enter your password for verification purposes. Once done, click on Next to continue. Update your phone number with the new information you want to use. Then click Next to confirm the changes. As an added security measure, Twitter will send a verification code to your new phone number via SMS. Check your messages, enter the code in the verification code box, and click Verify. By following these steps, you can easily update your phone number on Twitter using your PC. Keeping your account information current ensures you stay connected and informed. Enjoy seamless communication on Twitter with your updated phone number.